You surely know Mr. Beast, and many of you may know that Mr. Beast's videos are available in various languages. For this reason, people all over the world can enjoy Mr. Beast's videos in their own language, and from there, Mr. Beast gets millions of views, millions of subscribers, and earns millions of dollars. Now, the question is, how does Mr. Beast dub these videos? It's a very normal question, considering the millions of dollars involved, and since his income comes from here, he wants his videos to be watched more. So he can hire a professional dubbing artist with that money. But for those like me, poor YouTubers who don't have money, because you watch my videos, but many of you don't subscribe. So if you like my channel's videos, then please do subscribe. Okay? Where we were, content creators like me, who create videos in one language, we also want our content to be seen by people all over the world. But not everyone understands English or knows it. So, will our videos be dubbed or not? The answer to this is AI. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting AI that can translate your video into any language or simply dub it in an easy way. And not only that, there are some fantastic features in it. Like, the voice you used for translation will clone your voice and dub your video with that voice. It's really mind-blowing. It will do all this just with one AI. Today's video is going to be very interesting, so please everyone, make sure to watch the entire video. And this AI, you can use it on your laptop, Android, iPhone, whatever you have. You can use it anywhere. So let's now move to our screen. First, you need to open a browser. Then you have to search on Google wondershare virbo. Then from here, you see virbo.wondershare.com. You have to click here. Then you can see an interface like this. You can download its software by clicking here. But if you want to do it online without downloading any software, then click here. I will do it online, so I am clicking here. From here, you can log in. You can log in here through Google, Facebook, Twitter, and Apple account. Then from below, you can log in directly with your email address. So because of this, you can use temp mail address here and use it unlimited times for free. So I will use temp mail here. For this, I will search on Google, akmail.in. It's asking me to verify. So you also have to verify here. I will verify now. So after verifying it, you will see an interface like this. Here you can create unlimited mail addresses. Then using them, you can create an unlimited account. So first you need to copy this mail address, then come here and paste it. Then you need to create a password here. So I'm creating a password. Then you have to click on create account. Then it will log in automatically. As you can see here, there is a credit of 2 minutes, means you can make free 2-minute videos here. Once that is over, create a new account. There are many more AI tools as you can see here, through which you can make text to video. You can clone your voice. You can also do many things. But today, I will show you how to do video dubbing. For this, you will click on Video Translate here. Then you can see an interface like this. From here, you can upload videos. Upload the video you want to dub from here. So I am clicking here. From here, I am choosing a video of Ali Abdal. He is a YouTuber who many may know. So today, I will dub his video. It is uploading now. You can see here, it says Original Video Language. From here, you select the language in which your video is made. As you can see, almost all languages of the world are here. You will choose the language of your video. Since this video is made in English, I am choosing English. Then you can choose its target language from here. That is, the language in which you want to dub this video. Choose that language from here. There are many languages here. As you can see, there are many other languages including Spanish, German, Portuguese. You will see. Arabic is also available here. Then there is the Hindi language. So I am choosing Arabic language from here. Then you can see here, advanced options. If it's hidden here, just like that. Then you can see it by clicking here. So here you can see the lip synchronizing option. You can turn it on or off by clicking here. Turning it on will show you what your video should look like. Your video should be straightforward so that the face can be seen. There can't be many people's faces here. Do not roll on the face side. And the light should be good. So you just need to confirm here that everything is fine. I confirm it. Then you see the subtitle option. You can turn it on and off from here. Subtitles aren't really that important, because there is no shortage of free tools for this. Then you can see the proofread video script written here. If you turn it on, it should be in your video, which needs to be dubbed. You can change them. You will understand it better later. So now if I click translate, it will be translated. So I'm clicking on translate. Here you can see it's the transcript. I'm skipping it. Here you can see the script of this video is here. I clicked on proofread video script, so here it comes. I wish I had turned off the proofread video script. Then it would have been straight dubbing. I wouldn't have changed anything. But with it turned on now, I can click here and change things as I want. So I won't change it. I will keep it as it is. From here, you can still turn on and off lip synchronizing, and subtitle. After that, if you click on the translate video here, it will be translated. So I am clicking here. Here you can see it says successfully submitted translate task. As you can see, it's translation work in progress here. So it will take some time. I'll skip it. As you can see here, the video has been dubbed. Now if you click here, it will open. Let's see what it's made of.
هذا هو الاعتقاد الخاطئ الأكبر حول بدء عملك التجاري الخاص، وهو أنه لتبدأ عملك الخاص يجب أن تترك وظيفتك أولا. أرجوك لا تترك وظيفتك قبل بدء عملك التجاري. تعلم وظيفتك شيء جيد، إنها تعطيك راتبا لطيفا، إنها تمنحك التواصل الاجتماعي، إنها تمنحك هدفا، إنها شبكة أمان جيدة جدا لتكون لديك تقريبا لأي عمل تجاري. تأمل في بدئه. يمكنك في الواقع البدء بالقيام به في المساء وخلال عطلات نهاية الأسبوع، ويمكنك استخدام تلك الأمسيات وعطلات نهاية الأسبوع لتطوير منتج قابل للتطبيق بحد أدنى، لتحسين عرضك، للتأكد من وجود طلب فعلي على الشيء، لمحاولة التحدث مع العملاء المحتملين والحصول على المال منهم. ويمكنك أن تقوم بكل هذه الأمور في ساعات قليلة كل أسبوع، وبعد ذلك بمجرد أن تحصل على بعض الدخل، هذا هو الوقت الذي يستحق فيه النظر في تقليل ساعات عملك أو حتى تركها. لا أنصحك بترك وظيفتك فقط لأنك تعتقد أن هذا ما تحتاجه لبدء عمل تجاري. لمزيد من المعلومات حول هذا الموضوع يجب عليك بالتأكيد الاطلاع على كتاب نوح كاغان عطلة $1000. كتب أخرى جيدة حول هذا الموضوع تتضمن طريق المليونير السريع لإم جي دي ماركو، وبالطبع أسبوع عمل ال4 ساعات لتيم فيرس.
As you can see, this video has been dubbed in Arabic, so it's a great AI which I have shared with you. Hope you like the video. So if you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned.